Welcome to Kontagent's kSuite tutorial series. Today we'll be giving you a sneak peek at kSuite's Predictive LTV tool. The Predictive LTV tool helps you predict the potential lifetime value of your users. It does this by forecasting how much money your users will spend in your app over their lifetime based on their past behavior. This can help you hone your marketing spends by helping you understand which cohorts of users are worth pursuing from a lifetime value perspective. kSuite's Predictive LTV tool is accessible through the Reporting tab in the kSuite dashboard. Let's run through a use case to see exactly how it works. First, we need to choose a cohort of users. In this case, let's look at users who installed in the third week of September. We can also adjust our cohort based on install range, acquisition channel, as well as other filters such as app version, OS, and geolocation by country. Now, for comparison, let's also check out our users who installed in the United States during the same time frame. Once we've made our selections, the cohorts will be automatically color-coded and added to the revenue chart below. Right away, we see that the United States users, represented in purple, spend more time compared to our overall users, represented in blue. Now, while this is good information, by turning on our Predictive LTV tool, we can see how much these users might spend in the future. As you can see, our cohort curves have now been separated into two segments. This solid segment represents the current revenue data collected so far for that particular cohort. The transparent segment is where Predictive LTV tool believes spending will most likely continue, and that transparent cone surrounding it represents the upper and lower range of where spending may also fall. We can control the size of this range by adjusting the confidence level here. As the name implies, the slider determines how confident the Predictive LTV tool will be in its prediction. The higher the level, the larger the range. The lower it is, the smaller the range. For instance, we see that by day number 20, the Predictive LTV tool projects that our United States cohort will most likely be spending an average of 24 cents per user. However, their spending could also fall anywhere between 24 cents and 25 cents based on our 90% confidence level. We can also adjust how many days into the future we want to forecast by changing the predicted day box here. Let's see what our cohort spending will be like 45 days from now. It looks like revenue will continue climbing, which is good news for our app. But how can we be sure that we can trust this prediction? To do this, we'll use the backtest algorithm. This option will let you test the accuracy of Predictive LTV's predictions by allowing you to recreate predictions as they would have appeared at a specific date in the past, and then compare those predictions to the cohort's actual spending. Let's extend our prediction back a week from today and see how close it would have been to our users' real spending. Our predictive curve will now be extended into our actual data. And in this case, it looks like it was pretty accurate, but let's investigate further. Here, we see that on day number 15, our users actually spent 22 cents. Our Predictive LTV tool estimated spending to be 22 cents, with a range of 21 to 24. So in this case, it looks like the prediction was spot on. While this won't always happen, the backtest algorithm will allow you to double-check Predictive LTV's work. And that's a sneak peek of Kontagent's Predictive LTV tool. But this is just one of the many groundbreaking data analytics tools we're developing at Kontagent. To learn more about the kSuite Analytics platform, please contact us at ksuiteinfo@kontagent.com or visit our website at www.kontagent.com. Thanks for watching.